Just a quick unboxing. So let's see what we have in here. Just gonna. So I hope you're all doing good. So it's I have another uh, coin to see. I think it's I like the old coins, so yeah. Don't be surprised if I'll be presenting mostly old ones. Oops, where is it? Inside. Oh, yep, here we go. And I only buy locally from collectors and sellers that here in New Zealand. So here we go. So we have, what is this one? It's a nice one. I think it's oh yep. So I think this is a Spanish coin. So here we go. 1877, King Alfonso XII. It's from Spain, and the value is 10 cent. I think it's composed of bronze, I think, or copper. Not sure, but it is an old one. 10 centimos from Spain. See, King Alfonso XII, 1877. Thank you. Have a good day.